You wake up in the middle of the night, chest tight, heart pounding. Your smartwatch pings. High likelihood of heart attack detected. 5 seconds later, your doctor calls you and says, "Relax, it's probably just gas." So who do you trust with your life, the machine or the medic? Welcome to 2025, where AI has officially scrubbed in for surgery. Hospitals across the world are integrating artificial intelligence into almost every corner of medicine. According to a 2025 Bain & Company Healthcare AI Index, over 66% of physicians now use some form of AI daily, from reading X-rays to predicting patient outcomes. AI isn't a future dream, it's today's medical assistant. Yet, despite all this progress, the relationship between AI and doctors feels like a delicate dance, exciting, innovative, and slightly terrifying. Imagine walking into a hospital where a robot welcomes you with, "Hello, I will now assess your symptoms," while your human doctor nervously double-checks if the robot just stole their job. Accuracy versus empathy, it's the ultimate medical showdown. AI can analyze thousands of scans in seconds, spotting patterns that even the best-trained radiologists might miss. A recent 2025 Doctronic study found that AI matched clinical diagnoses with 81% accuracy, and its treatment recommendations aligned with top doctors 99% of the time. Impressive, right? But here's the twist: accuracy isn't everything. When your heart's pounding and fear creeps in, you don't want someone who says, "You have a 78% chance of survival." You want someone who looks you in the eyes and says, "You'll be okay. I've got you." That's something no machine has mastered, yet the ability to feel your fear, to share your silence, to understand what your shaking hands mean without a data point attached. In the end, numbers can comfort your mind, but only empathy can heal your heart. That's the human advantage, the warmth no algorithm can replicate. The trust gap continues to grow. Recent studies by JAMA Network and UVA Health reveal that over 60% of patients trust human doctors more than AI systems, even when the algorithm is proven more accurate. Why? Because trust in medicine isn't just about data, it's about connection. Humans seek empathy before evidence. We want reassurance before recommendations. When a doctor makes a mistake, we understand they're human. When a machine does, we panic because who's responsible? The programmer? The hospital? Or Siri's evil cousin? One 2024 survey found that 73% of patients would refuse an AI-only diagnosis without human confirmation. Even though AI might be smarter, people still want a heartbeat behind the decision. After all, no matter how advanced technology becomes, comfort still comes from compassion, not code. Let's be honest. AI might diagnose a microtumor hidden deep in your lung, but can it tell when you're pretending to cough just to skip work? Can it comfort grandma when she's crying about her blood pressure? Can it nod thoughtfully while you explain your Google research? It might ace medical exams, but it still has no clue how to handle a patient who insists, "WebMD said I'm dying." AI is brilliant at pattern recognition, but it doesn't know that you're only at the clinic because your partner told you to get that thing checked. It can identify diseases, but it still can't read the awkward silence when your doctor asks, "How much do you actually drink each week?" No, let's give credit where it's due. AI isn't here to replace doctors. It's here to help them. Think of it as the world's smartest intern. One who never sleeps, never complains, and actually reads the entire medical journal before breakfast. And the best part? It doesn't roll its eyes when the senior doctor repeats the same story for the 10th time. AI can scan thousands of MRI images, flagging anything suspicious in seconds. It can predict patient deterioration, detect early signs of diseases like Alzheimer's, and optimize hospital workflows. In one study, hospitals using AI diagnostic support saw error rates drop by 30% and average diagnosis times cut in half. It's like having a superhero assistant armed with caffeine and algorithms. And this is a big, but when AI gets things wrong, it can be spectacularly wrong. One algorithm once confused a shadow on a chest X-ray with lung cancer. Another misread dark skin tones in pulse oximeters. These mistakes remind us that even supercomputers can inherit human bias if trained on biased data. And when AI messes up, it doesn't just misdiagnose, it can shake public trust in the entire system. Doctors have something AI can't code: intuition. That mysterious, unquantifiable gut feeling that something isn't right. Maybe it's the patient's tone, the subtle tremor in their voice, the way they avoid eye contact. These aren't data points. They're human clues. Intuition is the original algorithm built from years of experience, mistakes, and empathy. A seasoned doctor can walk into a room and sense tension, fear, or pain before you even speak. An AI system might need 10 gigabytes of input to reach the same conclusion. Machines see data. Humans see people. That difference, the emotional dimension, is the heart of medicine. It's what makes healing an art, not just a science. And yet, the partnership is magical when balanced. Studies show that when doctors and AI collaborate, the combined accuracy exceeds either one alone. It's not a war, it's a duet. Together, they turn uncertainty into precision and fear into hope, a true harmony of logic and compassion. Here's where things get messy. If AI makes a mistake, who's to blame? The doctor? The programmer? The hospital? Or maybe the Wi-Fi connection? Imagine trying to explain to a patient that their misdiagnosis was caused by a server timeout. Legal experts are scrambling to define responsibility in AI-assisted medicine. The World Economic Forum's 2025 report emphasizes the urgent need for clear accountability frameworks. Because you can't sue an algorithm. Yet, until laws catch up, hospitals are tiptoeing around AI like it's a genius toddler holding a scalpel. Let's paint a picture. Imagine a small rural clinic in India. There's one doctor, hundreds of patients, and limited resources. AI diagnostic tools are installed to help scan chest X-rays for tuberculosis. And in just months, detection rates jump dramatically. Lives are saved. For the first time, technology levels the playing field between cities and villages. That's the power of partnership. Not man versus machine, but man with machine. The doctor interprets. The AI detects. The union becomes unstoppable. It's like Sherlock Holmes and Watson. One observes the data, the other understands the story. Here's something funny or maybe unsettling. In a 2024 study published in JAMA Internal Medicine, patients actually rated AI-generated responses to medical questions as more empathetic than those written by real doctors. Yes, you read that right. The robot is officially the nicer one. Yes, you read that right. Robots are officially beating humans in bedside texting. Turns out, a well-written AI message saying, "I understand how that must feel," can melt hearts faster than an overworked doctor. Typing "take ibuprofen and rest." AI excels at precision, speed, and pattern detection. It doesn't get tired, emotional, or distracted. It's the superhero of repetitive diagnostics, reading millions of images, predicting outbreaks, and customizing treatments using genetic data. It's estimated that AI could help save up to $150 billion in annual healthcare costs by 2030 through faster diagnoses and reduced human error. That's not small change. That's an entire healthcare revolution. Humans win at compassion, creativity, and moral reasoning. A doctor doesn't just treat disease. They treat people their fears, hopes, and quirks. A good doctor doesn't just read charts. They read faces. The future of healthcare isn't AI replacing humans, it's AI enhancing them. Picture this: a doctor consulting an AI dashboard that highlights possible issues, while still taking time to look you in the eyes and say, "Tell me how you feel." That's the dream. Machines for data, humans for meaning. Together, they form medicine's perfect symphony logic and empathy playing in harmony. In the end, the question isn't about choosing between AI and human doctors, it's about how they can work together. AI brings the precision of data. Humans bring the power of empathy. When combined, they create smarter, faster, and more compassionate healthcare. But we must always remember, technology exists to serve people, not replace them. As storytellers and thinkers, our mission is to share this truth to embrace innovation without losing the heart that makes us human. And that's it. The battle of brains versus heart ends in a tie. The future of medicine isn't man or machine, it's man with machine. So what do you think? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of healthcare, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a story that makes you think, laugh, and question the future.